Recently, someone asked me why I decided to pursue mediation after 10 years as a litigation lawyer instead of perhaps opening my own law practice. As with most big decisions in life, there are many factors that I took into consideration, but really at the heart of my decision was my belief in the value and the power of mediation. As a lawyer, people come to you with their problems, and often it feels like you're simply adding to those problems. You're giving them bills, you're giving them homework to do, you are telling them that you need them to do more work. And it can take weeks or months or years to get a resolution. What I found over my years as a lawyer is there are two things I can do to really help my clients. One is to enable and empower them to tell their story in their own words, and to identify what is important to them. And the second thing I can do to help them is to help them and guide them to find a way to resolve the conflict, which means they can then move on with their life without forever feeling resentment and embittered about the process and about the outcome. Rarely are people happy at the end of a court trial. And I found over the years that mediation really offers those two opportunities in one combined package. And so for that reason, I really wanted to focus on helping people to tell their story and helping people find their own solutions to their problems. Often clients hear when they speak to their lawyer that something's not relevant or something's not important or we'll get back to that. Whereas in mediation, the parties get to choose what's important and what's on the agenda. And rather than having a judge tell them what they're going to do with their life, ideally in mediation, they find their own solutions and their own compromises. So those are the big reasons behind why I decided to start RCB Mediation Services, and why I decided not to go into practice for myself or to look for another job as a lawyer. Because I went into the law to help people, and over the years I found that mediation is one of the most helpful processes for the client. So that's my story.